If you're serious about towing, you're going to want to check out the WaySafe True Tow weight distribution hitch in its all-new middleweight version. The True Tow Middleweight is all about making your tow experience safer and more efficient. Safety is a top priority, and that's why the True Tow Middleweight comes equipped with an anti-sway feature. Friction areas in the sway bar connection points and the trailer bracket connection points work together to reduce sway caused by wind or passing vehicles. The True Tow Middleweight can easily be interchanged between different tow vehicles and trailers, making it a versatile solution for all your towing needs. And height adjustment is a breeze, with 1 1/4 inch hole increments offering more accurate height adjustment without having to torque bolts. Now you might already be familiar with the heavyweight version, but the middleweight is here to offer you the same precision and ease of use in a slightly lighter package. The built-in scale measures both tongue weight and distributed tongue weight, ensuring you hit that sweet spot of 10 to 15% of your gross trailer weight. Plus, with the ability for anytime adjustment, you're saving a significant amount of time. Whether you're a seasoned tower or just getting started, this middleweight hitch is here to make your towing experience safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. If you want to know more about the WaySafe True Tow weight distribution middleweight hitch or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.